Alright, if you've managed to score one of these old units in a pawn shop or something like I did, they're so old. This one was built in 91. So, if you're going through your programs and you say you're setting it to 9 here high enough, and then you turn it off, and then you turn it back on. If it says that factory loading, it's loading from the factory preset and going back to 1. That means that your internal memory battery is dead. And the way you get to that is you take out 2 screws on the back of this cover, then you take out the 6 screws on the top of the cover, then you take out the 1 screw in the middle of the faceplate. That'll let you pull the cover off. Now here's mine. As you can see, the battery went dead a long time ago, and some clown thought that they could replace it with a AA battery. That isn't going to work. So let's go ahead and turn it off and pull the power cord out. Now, we'll pull this battery, Energizer. It's nice, isn't it? We're going to replace it with this battery. This is the battery that should be in here, and these things will last a nice long time. This is what it originally had. So if you can see, that's the positive end, that's the negative end. And if you look at this, you see it's got a big clear mark on which end is the positive end. So we're going to go ahead and run that in. There it sits. Now we hook the power cable back up and turn it back on. Now we should be able to scroll up through some programs and then turn it off and turn it back on. Should stay where we put it, see? It's pretty simple, pretty easy, not very difficult. And now all we got to do is put the top back on, put the screws back in.